Mom, do you know what time Dad's coming home?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
Yes.
Honey, I'm home.
Hi, I'm in the kitchen.
Hi.
Hi. How was your day at work?
Oh, it was good. A little stressful. How was your day?
It was just a lovely day in Tinley Park. I cleaned the living room, cleaned the television room, and I did the dishes, and I vacuumed the basement.
So, where's Kevin?
He's upstairs. He had a tough day at school.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna go upstairs and go get him.
I'm keeping.
Kevin!
Hi, Dad.
Hey, son. How was your day?
It was terrible.
What are you working on over here?
Just some math.
What is this? A book?
Yeah.
Nice.
Somebody
Some
stole
math
my.
homework?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Somebody stole my lunch money.
Really? Who?
Yeah, I don't know, and I failed my math test. It was a pretty bad thing. I'm sorry.
Really?
I love you.
Well, what's your deal?
Kevin told me he failed his math test at school today.
That little rascal.
I told him to study. Why weren't you on top of that?
Kevin's gotta be better.
Tell him to come down here right now.
Kevin! Kevin!
Yes, Mother?
Kevin!
I'm sorry.
So what's going on in school today?
It's just, I failed that math test. That class is hard.
Why didn't you study?
I did. It's just, I don't know. I don't get the subject.
What's your mother got to say about that?
You need to ask your mother for help, Kevin. I'm a resource. You need to use that. I will help you out.
I'm sorry, guys.
Well,
This one's
Well,
for him.
I made this delicious pizza. So, maybe that'll cheer you up, Kevin. It's
Yeah.
not gonna cheer me up.
Honey,
I can't eat too
get
much.
another plate for you.
I would like to thank our God out there for this delicious meal and this beautiful, gorgeous family that He has blessed me with.
Amen.
Amen. So, what time is practice tonight, Kevin?
6:45.
How you getting there?
You can't take me, Dad?
I'll drive him. You had a long, tough day at work.
I'll go take a nap.
So, what are we gonna do about next year, Kevin? Fail the math test? School are you gonna apply to?
This is real life situations that you have to think about, son.
It will be the last test I fail. I want to go to Northern.
So, did you guys watch the debate last night?
Yeah, I did. Did you, Dad?
Yes.
Yeah, it was good. Did you see the points Hillary and Trump made?
Yes.
What do you think when they debate?
I'd vote for Donald Trump.
Donald Trump?
I'd vote for Donald Trump too. He's gonna make America great again.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
hoping
so-
he does.
Hillary's just a liar.
You see all those
Yeah.
emails she deleted?
Yeah.
She's hiding something.
34,000 emails. That's
Yeah.
scam.
Yeah, what happened
Can
to
you
her?
believe that?
Woman.
What a
What's
liar.
wrong?
Yeah.
That shows she's. It's almost 6:30. I have to go to practice now.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Can you take me now?
Yes.
Thank you. Bye, Dad.
See you later, son.
See you, Daddy.
I'll see you later.
Alright, see you later, buddy.
Come on, son.
Bye, Dad.
Have a good day.